Hey everybody, local fisherman here. I have a solution for you if you don't like adapters like this for your dash cam. Dongar Products makes a power adapter and we're going to dive in right now. So if you guys want to check it out, come with me. This is the Dongar dashcam power adapter, a little review that I got for my Nissan Frontier. This is something that I've always struggled with is when installing dash cams in my personal vehicles, it's always a pain in the butt because this is what you have to deal with. You got to run this to the fuse block, up the A-pillar, across the windshield and down to the camera. Well, that is no more. Okay, now we have this, the Dongar dash cam adapter. This is for the 7-pin Type B connections. These are for Nissans. Just so happen if you have a Nissan Frontier with a powered rear view mirror that has the compass and auto dimming feature, then this will work for you. Inside the box, it came with these 3 USB cables and of course the unit itself. This plugs into the mirror. This plugs into the wire that comes from the vehicle, and then that will in turn give you a USB port. So this will just sit right there behind the mirror without having to run a bunch of crazy wires back and forth through the dash and everything. And then depending on the dash cam that you have micro USB, Type A USB, and you have USB-C, which is going to be for the more modern cameras. So obviously this will just plug in like that, and then once it's attached, you'll just plug your dash cam in and get it mounted. So we're going to demonstrate that here in just a few seconds. So let me get set up and then we will be right back. All right, everybody. So we got this thing set up here so you guys can see how this connects. First thing you're going to want to do is disconnect your factory connector for your mirror and just do a quick comparison just to make sure that it's the same, which this one is. So this is going to plug in just like that. Just make sure you have a click, and then this will plug into the factory spot on the mirror. I'm at a little angle here, so I'll have to look, make sure that I'm getting it right. You don't want to bend any pins on the mirror itself. Okay, there it is. And now I noticed this hangs a little bit, so what I'm going to do, I threw a piece of double-sided 3M tape here, and what I'm going to do is just stick it kind of right there. Okay, and then we can move this around a little bit if we need to as well. But basically now all that's left is figure out where you're going to mount your dash cam, and then you'll use those short little USB connector that comes with the kit. And you'll just plug that in, and boom, you will have a place to plug in your camera without the mess. All right, everybody, so we got this thing installed. There's the camera. So if you got a Nissan Frontier like mine, 2005 through 2021, they all pretty much are the same, really. You'll have a mirror like this one with the readout and auto dimming feature that you can turn on and off there. This will allow you to just plug in and run your camera. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Let me go ahead and do a little outro and we're good. So the dash cam is installed. The Dongar Products adapter has been easy to install. It's a very innovative product. I think it's pretty good. I purchased this one with my own money, but I did reach out to them and I said, hey, I do YouTube videos. I'm not a very big YouTuber, but they were still cool enough to send me an affiliate link. So in the description, if you guys are interested in any of their products, follow that link and I will get a kickback for that if you purchase anything while you're going through my link. So if you click it on your computer or your phone and you actually buy something, I would appreciate it if you help me out with the channel. Final thoughts on this one is it's super easy to do. If you have a car that has a powered rear view camera, chances are they have a product that will fit yours, and just makes installing a dash cam so easy. And the great thing about Dongar products is so they're cheap. I mean, for under $40, you get a kit that comes with any sort of USB cable that you need. You get a nice installation guide through a QR code that comes in the package, and you can also see a plethora of installation guides on their website. And of course, you come across a video like mine, hopefully it'll help you along as well. For me personally, I was rear-ended at one time, and the dash cam basically proved that the other person was lying, and they said I did something to them, blah blah blah. And I said, wait a second, I have a dash camera. So I trimmed the clip, I sent it to the insurance, and I was like, hey, this person says I'm at fault. Well, here is the proof that I wasn't doing anything wrong. They're the ones that hit me. So investing a little bit of cash in a dash cam and in a kit like this is awesome, and it's definitely worth it. So you guys, thanks again for watching. And as always in all my videos, I offer prayer requests. So if you have anything that you'd like to talk about, if you need to get something off your chest, if you want to talk to a pastor, if you need an ear, feel free to reach out to me and I will get with you. We can chat through email, we can chat through on the phone, whatever's easiest for you guys. So thanks again for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if anything comes up, if you have a question, whatever, please leave a comment below and I will reach out to you. You guys have a blessed day. Thank you very much. Peace.